After an urgent appeal by the British Prime Minister Boris Johnson, there was a great rush for booster vaccinations in England on Monday. Long queues formed in front of many vaccination centres and pharmacies, and a number of British people experienced disruptions in the online booking system of the National Health Service NHS. Both should also have something to do with the fact that all over 30-year-olds have been able to book vaccination appointments or queue up since Monday morning. Previously, this was only possible for people over 40 and people with previous illnesses. Already before 9 a.m. on Monday, around 110,000 people had clicked a vaccination appointment. It was said from Downing Street. The aim is to boost an average of more than 1 million people a day by the end of the year. All adults should be able to get a booster vaccination by then. Johnson moved this target date forward by a month on Sunday in order to gain the upper hand in the fight against the highly contagious variant of Omicron. 750 military personnel are also used in the booster mission. In view of the Omicron variant, they are facing an emergency, which is why vaccination protection urgently needs to be strengthened, said Johnson in a televised address on Sunday evening. The good news is that the level of protection can be increased again with a third dose of the vaccine. So get boosted now, he said, and I also say this, get boosted now. At least one person in the UK has died from an Omicron infection. Boris Johnson announced this on Monday when he visited a London vaccination clinic. Sadly, Omicron leads to hospitalizations, and unfortunately at least one patient has been confirmed to have died from Omicron, said the UK Prime Minister. People would have to say goodbye to the idea that the virus variant first detected in South Africa was a milder version of the coronavirus. The best we can do is that we all get our booster vaccinations, he said. The virus variant Omicron has been classified by the World Health Organization, the WHO, as worrying since the end of November. The mutation has now been detected in more than 55 countries. There are around 32 mutations in the spike protein there, which on the one hand make it easier to transmit, on the other hand they seem to help the virus bypass the immune responses. Several studies have shown that Omicron is able to reduce the effectiveness of corona vaccines. Even fully vaccinated people can become infected with the virus, but that's with all those cases. A British study came to the result that the protection of the BioNTech Pfizer vaccine against infections with symptoms such as cough and sore throats drops to around 34% after 4 months. A booster vaccination can increase this protection, which is why BioNTech boss Ugur Sahin advises giving a booster vaccination as early as 3 months after the second vaccination. It was not yet clear whether the virus variant also causes severe disease progressions until now. After the strong spread in South Africa, there was initially hope that Omicron could possibly cause milder courses than the previously known ones. At least, hardly any serious cases have been known from the country to date until we got the message from Johnson. However, the average age in South Africa is also significantly lower than in many Western countries. A number of scientific studies are currently being carried out on the severity of the causes at Omicron, but there are hardly any confirmed results. In Great Britain, the virus variant Omicron is currently spreading faster and faster. A new study by the UK Health Security Agency came to the conclusion that Omicron could become the dominant variant in Great Britain by the end of January. Health experts in the UK have now recommended raising the previous warning level in the country from 3 to 4, and that happened. There are already many hospital admissions of patients who have the Omicron variant. The alert level system in Great Britain has a total of 5 warning levels and shows the corona situation on the islands regardless of political decisions. And I'll see you in my next video. Bis gleich.